Good afternoon. Thanks for popping in as we are here to show you Leah's season's litter at 3 weeks old. Here I am with Miss Winter and we are just hanging out. Oh, she's so cuddly, so cute. And just look, she's turning into a puppy more and more each day. That didn't make sense. She's looking more like a puppy more and more each day. Anyways, the last couple days, it's pretty much been break time before things change. So ENS and ESI are done, and now it's gonna be daily exposures, getting to learn that new doesn't mean scary, it's just different. And so that's kind of the biggest thing on the agenda starting now. Also introducing new sounds and just giving them more attention. Up until this point, it's been, more hands-off, just the quick exposures. But now we get to be a little more hands-on and start letting them get to know us, and we can get to know them a little more as well. Now that they're finally on their feet here and there, on their paws, they're just growing ever so quickly. So I hope you enjoy this video and just look at that face. First sound for early sound introduction is the trains. They don't look like they mind to me. See you next time.